Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to view responses in Google Forms using the latest 2026 interface. Whether you've created a survey, quiz, or feedback form, knowing how to access and analyze your responses is essential. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to forms.google.com. This will take you to the Google Forms homepage, where you can create new forms or access forms you've already created. If you already have a form, simply click on it to open it. If you're starting from scratch, choose a template or click on the Blank Form option to create a new one. Once your form is open in edit mode, look at the top of the page, just below the form title. You will see three tabs: Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click on the Responses tab. This section is where all submitted answers are collected and displayed. After clicking on Responses, you will see a complete summary of all submissions. At the top, you will see the total number of responses collected. This is especially helpful when reviewing surveys or feedback forms. And that's how you view responses in Google Forms. It's simple, efficient, and gives you powerful insights into your data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.